Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful for all you Bank of Baroda customers out there. The video title says it all. How to use virtual debit card on Bob World app, Bank of Baroda, 2025. If you're looking to make your banking smarter and more secure in 2025, this is the guide you need. Let's jump right in. First off, what's a virtual debit card? It's a digital version of your physical debit card, designed for seamless online transactions, contactless payments, and added security features like one-time use options. With the Bob World app, Bank of Baroda has made it easier than ever to generate and manage one right from your phone. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of the Bob World app installed on your smartphone. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Cards or Services section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Next, look for the Virtual Debit Card option. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted to generate a new virtual card if you don't have one already. You'll need to verify your identity, which might involve a quick PIN or biometric check for security. Once generated, you'll see your virtual card details, like the card number, CVV, and expiry date. Pro tip: these details are temporary and can be refreshed for extra safety. Now, how do you use it? It's straightforward. For online shopping, simply enter the virtual card details just like you would with a physical card. The app even allows you to set spending limits or link it to specific transactions. If you're making a contactless payment, some apps or devices will let you use the virtual card via NFC. Just enable it in settings. One of the coolest things about this for 2025 is the integration with AI-driven fraud detection. The app monitors your transactions in real time and alerts you to anything suspicious. Remember, always keep your app updated to access the latest features and security patches. There you have it, folks. Using the virtual debit card on Bob World app is a breeze and a smart way to bank securely. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech and banking tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.